Hello everyone, this is KingConnect. This video I will show you a solution that uses FTTT command for the CLB logic controller. This time you can do these actions for loop mode, just always running. And now I will use the switch panel connect with the analog input, not for the digital input. So we can detect the analog input of the switch on and off. Just I have connected with a battery. So we can input a voltage. The different voltage, you can use FTTT command to do the different FTTT command. So I will tell you how to do with it. And also I have used the temperature sensor. We can do a FTTT command for the loop mode. Okay, let's look at the computer. Before we use the loop mode, you need to update the new firmware for v1.9 version. And then you can open your PC software of CLB. And I have used the Ethernet IP and the port, just like this IP and this port have connected with my controller. And also you can go to this button and setting the temperature value and the analog value. This means just the temperature changed 0.1 centigrade, the FTTT command and the state will be uploaded. Just I have enabled the auto report function, and this means the analog, if have changed for 0.1 volt, the state will be updated. So this is the value when the state is updated for the temperature and for the analog. And if the digital input not needed to set the value, just any change from open to close or from close to open, the state will all update. Now I have connected with the temperature sensor. Just use this temperature sensor. This is my temperature in my room, and this is the input, analog input. This is analog input. Now is 0. I have configured this for the mini size is 0 and the max is 5 volt. So I can detect the volt of the analog input 1. So you can see the temperature is changed. And now I can tell you how to do with the temperature sensor. Just turn on relay 1 and turn off relay 1, and you can just set any logic. You can go to this FTTT function, and I can use this edit number 1 FTTT command. We can choose the temperature just like this unit. If the temperature is greater than 30 centigrade, add to if. And the command, we just click the then command. And the relay 1, we can choose open and add. And we can add a delay time, like just 1 second. And now we can let relay 1 close and add. And also you can add a delay time and let relay 2 open, and add a delay time, let the relay 2 is closed. Add. And the most important is this cycle time. This time you can choose from 1 to 254. This is the times will repeat. But the new firmware, if you input the 225, that means always running, never stop. So we can select this 255 and let it always running. We just apply, and you can see the FTTT command have sent successfully, and we can go to the monitor, and we can detect this temperature sensor. I let the temperature become up. I hold on my hand. You can see the temperature is become 29. If greater than 30, okay, you can see the relay is on. If always greater than 30, this relay is controlled. Relay 1 on and off, and relay 2 on and off. You can see this red LED. And I remove my hand, let the temperature down. If the temperature is not less than 30 degrees, will always loop running the FTD command. Okay, now let's begin how to use the analog input for the switch panel. We can test the voltage, and we can see the volt 3.23 volts of the battery. Because our analog input supports 0 to 5 volt, so I have connected with the power line from this button. If this button is pressed, and you can see the window software, you can see this is 3.2 volt, so it's very good, the value. And I close, you can see the value is changed. Turn on the switch and turn off the switch. So we can use the different voltage. If you have 3 buttons, you can use this is greater than 1 volt, or this is 3 volt, or this is 4 volt. So you can use one analog input running for different 3 versions or more versions of the FTD command. So this is use the one channel for different switch, but you just get a power supply and let the switch output to the analog channel. So we can see how I can define the FTD command. I can define in number 2 and edit. So this time we can use the analog input. So analog input, I'm using 3 volt, so I can use a 2 volt. If greater than 2 volt, add to if, and then the relay. We can see just for a test, I can use the toggling. I just change the state, add, and a delay time 1 second, and toggling again, add to toggling again, and add the delay time. Just add you as you needed. Just add the command to the them command, and also I can change to the 225. Just running always, never stop. So I can apply and click the monitor, and this time you can see I press the button is off, so it's not running. So I can press the button, it detects the voltage is greater than 2 volt, so we'll always running, just like this, always running. I can edit it, let it become quickly, you can see it easily. Now I can change these settings, let you see easily. We can set this to 0.1 seconds. Just press the key, hold down 0.1 seconds will be trigger the FTD command. So we can delete this one and add this if command. So this time just for 0.1 seconds. And just toggling the relay 1, no any delay. So I can also use running all the time 255 and apply. And this time you can see I press the button, it will be quickly. So you can create many FTD commands. Just detect the press the button, it will running always, never stop. And just press the button, it will be stopped, and I press again, so it will always running. Just you can let relay 1 is on, and delay time, and relay 2 is on, and delay time, and relay 2 is off, and relay 1 is off. Any FTD command, just add this logic to running. Okay, this is how to use the loop mode for the analog sensor and the temperature sensor, and also you can use many kinds of sensor for the logic controller. Okay, thanks for watching.